My name's Darin McFadyen. I'm here at the LA Times Festival of Books with the Human Exploratorium. We've created this beautiful experience over here using audio and tactile audio for the body. We have a whole load of people running through it all day. And I'm also doing a talk over here on how to use tactile audio for storytelling. Come check it out. The first thing that you ever experienced in this life was the feeling of music. The tactile sense is the first to develop in the womb. At 7 weeks, you're feeling your mother's heartbeat, and all of your other sensory inputs were built around this foundation. The foundation of feeling and rhythm, melody, music. One of these musical developments is what we call tactile audio. This allows us to mix the power and emotionality of music with the power and emotionality of the tactile sense. So it's a very exciting time right now for people who are composing for this extremely emotional modalities, where we can start to compose for the tactile sense. We're developing protocols to be able to immerse ourselves, engage the emotional part of what's happened during the day, and then generate the type of music, tones, the feeling aspect of music that you need that will bring you in to a calmer state, a more active state, a more focused state. These are the possibilities that are available to us now. And there's no reason why we can't be doing that in every moment of every day.